Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need very ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and baking soda for the dry components. Remember, the riper the bananas, the sweeter and more flavorful your cake will be. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your baking pan by greasing and flouring it thoroughly. This ensures your cake won't stick. Now, let's combine our wet ingredients. Start by mashing your very ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth, but a few small lumps are perfectly fine. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet banana mixture into your dry ingredients, stirring until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. On another note, after enjoying your amazing banana bread cake, you might not want to clean up the crumbs yourself. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to bake your banana bread cake. Carefully pour the prepared batter into your greased and floured pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula to ensure consistent baking. Place the pan in your preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before moving it to a wire rack. The final step is adding those delicious finishing touches. While your cake cools completely, prepare a simple cream cheese frosting or a powdered sugar glaze. Once the cake is entirely cool, spread your chosen topping evenly over the surface. This adds an extra layer of flavor and moisture. Now, slice your homemade banana bread cake and serve it. It pairs wonderfully with a warm cup of coffee or tea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.